Hello, my name is Mark Foster, and this is a demo of my project, Company Cookbook. Company Cookbook is a way for employees who use Teams at a particular company to share recipes. It's a way for employees to curate and list the recipes they love from sites they've found around the web. It doesn't aim to be a recipe book in of itself. It just enables employees to kind of share recipes that they like with a focus on nutrition as part of a wellness program. So let's say I've browsed to a recipe on Food Network I like. What I can do is copy the URL to the recipe, and then I'll go up here and paste it in there and submit it. And now that recipe is visible to other employees as part of this wellness channel I've created. That's it. Thank you for watching my demo.